Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share my views on how to start a career in blogging. So watch this video till the end because I'm going to share step-by-step process on how one can create their own blog and how to make money out of that own blog and how to choose blogging as a career option. So I am also going to give you clarity on how good it is to start a career in blogging, and is it really reliable that we can only depend on blogging apart from doing any other full-time jobs. So yeah, I'm going to share I'm going to share my views step by step. So the first thing is what actually blogging is. Blogging is all about writing about something. So if you are a good writer, the primary skill that every blogger needs is a writing skill. So if you are already a good writer, then thumbs up for you, because you can go ahead and start a blog. So I will also explain you in this video like what are the different ways that you can start a blog, like where to go and where to find out that blog, so all those things. So apart from that, like if you are not a good writer, so one thing that you can do is you can hire a freelance writer, and like you just maintain that blog, and you get that content from some other people. So these are the two ways that one can start a blog. So if you're already a good writer, then you can straight away go and create your own blog. So there are two ways that one can create a blog. The first thing is, these are the two primary ways. These are not only the two ways that one can create a blog. So the first step is like creating with Blogspot. So this is the thing that most of the beginners do in general, but don't expect much income or much SEO traffic to your website using that Blogspot. So the other alternative is using WordPress blog. So these are two different contrasting ways, because in Blogspot, it will provide you a free domain. The first thing is it will provide you a free subdomain. So suppose like if your blog is, so suppose like if my blog is a Techie Empire, so I need to use something like techieempire.blogspot.com. So it is how you will get free domains in Blogspot. So the other way is like you purchase a domain somewhere. So I will show you some sites where you can purchase a domain. So I know some sites like HostGator and like Hostinger. These are two different sites. That also GoDaddy is another thing. So you can purchase domain there. So once after purchasing the domain, you need to configure that in Blogspot. So I will show you that how you can do actually. So this is the interface of Blogger. So it is my Blogspot. So I have used both these. Like I have used Blogspot, I have used WordPress. So I think like I'm the good one to suggest like how to go ahead with all those things. So this is the Blogspot. You will get limited number of themes. The first drawback is you will get only a limited number of themes. So you will get some old look themes, but and you don't have access to any plugins or third party dependencies mostly. And initially like it will give you a domain. So suppose like if you can see here, like it is giving like techempel blogspot.com. This is the domain that I have created initially. But once after that, like I have purchased a domain from HostGator, and like I have matched it here. So now like this blog will redirect to techempire.tech, so that I can get redirected to a new domain. So it is how you can do it. But again, like purchasing domain and using it in a place where you will get limited resources is not an advisable thing. So this is one thing. So other way is WordPress. But like for WordPress, you need hosting, because Blogspot provides you some free hosting. But in order to use WordPress and in order to make some decent income out of your blog, you need a hosting plan. For that, like WordPress has tied up with a source called Bluehost. So this is the interface of the Bluehost. So Bluehost is a hosting service provider. So I have added the link in the description. So you can go and visit Bluehost, and you will purchase the hosting plan. So there are different ways of using hosting. So I suggest to use a basic plan initially, because a basic plan will give you only basic things. Like it has some limits, or you can use up to 50 GB of data and all those things. But when you can select plus and choice plus, so you will get unlimited data, unlimited email accounts. You will also get some company emails. Like if your blog is something like techempire.tech, so you will get something like add like info@techempire.tech, like if I can also include my name at techempire.tech, you will get company emails. And if it is a basic plan, you will get only limited. But if it is something like plus or choice plus, you will get unlimited accounts and unlimited storage, and you can also host unlimited websites. But in the basic plan, you will get only one website. So that is the thing. But yeah, you can upgrade later. So initially, like I suggest, if you are a beginner, go with basic plan. So I have added a link in the description. So if you go with my link, like you will also get one free website, I mean one free domain, so of your choice. So like you can choose, as they were giving it for free, I advise to choose .com, because .com is the highly indexed website domain, so when compared to other things. So you can go with the link in the description and purchase the basic plan. So that hosting you can also buy for like 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. So the more the duration that you choose, the less you need to pay. So if you choose more duration, then it will decrease the price for you. But there are only two payment options in Bluehost. So one is by using credit card, other one is using PayPal. So make sure you have at least one payment. So like it is how you can purchase a hosting plan here. And what after hosting plan? So once after you completed, I mean, this payment, so you will be redirected to WordPress. This is how WordPress look in general. So this is the WordPress admin panel. So how you can actually do that? If you purchase a particular domain, so I have purchased a domain called techempire.com. So you need to use this like techempire.com/wp-admin. So it is how you can go to your admin panel. So if I click like this, so it will redirect me to the admin panel. So it is how admin panel looks in general. So you will post here, you can select different themes here. So you can do a lot of things. So in general, like you can choose like different themes, you can choose different themes, you can post here, you can customize here, you can do everything. So you can add many more themes here. So yeah, it will show you lots of thousands of themes. You can select one from thousands of themes, and you can customize that easily. You can customize that by using this option called customize. And you can add menus, you can add things of your own choice. Of course it takes time. So like even though you're not familiar much with it, there are various freelancers that will do it for you. You just need a hosting plan and a website. So if you can give it to them, like they will build a site for you. But yeah, so these are the basic things that you need to have. So once after you build your blog, like if your blog is ready, you can directly look here, like directly host here. So I mean, you can directly access it here with your website. So if I can access it with techempire.com, so similarly you can access. So once after you, I mean, completed like customizing it, you can make it live. So it is how you can do. So and like what next? So once after you created your blog, so you need to write post every single day. So you will get option like new post. So if you maintain this consistency, so at least make 10 posts per month. So if you can do so, like you can directly create an AdSense. So AdSense is a Google ad service. Like you can place ads in AdSense. So once after you place ads in our AdSense account, so it gives you one link. So if AdSense is activated, like your blog will display showing ads. So like Google will pay you, depends on the number of views that your website is getting. So and again, like how you will get organic traffic to your website. So if you post continuously with good consistency and maintaining consistency, so I mean the link should be good, like from the homepage, like every web page should be accessible. And make sure you display your website name in multiple places, so that if people search for your website name, or people search for a particular topic, if suppose like I write a topical I mean web development overview, so if people search for it, if your SEO is good, like it shows your results. So it is how you get organic traffic. Also you can share your blog post everywhere in social media. If you are getting some decent traffic, Google will pay you good. So other way that you can earn money using WordPress blog is, so by employing like affiliate marketing. So there are various sites where you can share links of their products, and if people click link of their products from your website, you will get some commission. So it is how you earn money using blocks, using these blocks. So these are all some ways that you can earn money, and like I hope it is clear. Like you can use Blogspot or you can use WordPress. So I say, like, if you want to earn money, just go with WordPress, because there are lots of plugins available in WordPress. You can download different types of plugins. You can connect your social media accounts, you can connect your YouTube channel, so you can integrate payments, you can create your own store. So there is a plugin called WooCommerce in WordPress, where you can create your own online store. So if you're selling something from others, like, use that to customize your website. Not only blog, you can do a lot of things in the website. So if you go with WordPress, and like if you just want to practice your writing, and if you want to brush up your writing skills, then go with Blogspot. So like if you're interested in going towards WordPress, so I have added the link of Bluehost in the description. Please check it out. And if you go, like, you will get a free domain. So whatever the domain it is, you can use it. So I also try to make the domain as .com, because it will give you high indexing for your website. So these are the ways that one can use to start their career in blogging. And of course, yes, blogging is a good career. Top bloggers earns lakhs of rupees per month. So if you do it consistently, then ultimately, like, your blog will get bigger and bigger, and you will get a lot of money. So yeah, this is how one can start a career in blogging, and these are the two primary ways that most of the bloggers initially choose. So like you can choose, like, you can design WordPress according to your wish, so you can make it, customize it according to your way. But in Blogspot, you just need to follow the templates that they give. So it is a drawback there. So I hope it is clear. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. And if you really like this video, please share it with someone, like, who needs to start a career in blogging. And please subscribe to my channel and share this video. And if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.